Hello students, this is Miss Pooja Arun Mhatre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhinder East. Today's topic is C&D chapter number 3, Physical Layer part 4. The learning course outcomes are introduction of the transmission medium, definition of transmission medium, types of transmission medium, guided media. In this, we will learn about the twisted pair cable. Introduction. Communication is the basic process of information exchange. So, media is a general term used to describe the specific data path that forms the physical channel between the sender and receiver. So the physical path over which the information flows from the transmitter to receiver is called the transmission medium. The physical path over which the information flows from transmitter to the receiver is called the transmission medium. And the transmission medium is defined as the physical path between the transmitter and the receiver. So in a data communication system, the transmission medium is a physical path between the transmitter and receiver. So the transmission media is the physical path. So definition is of the transmission medium is the physical path between the transmitter and receiver in data transmission system. Here the diagram shows the transmission medium. The sender sends a message through the transmission medium to the receiver. So the flow of the data is sender to the transmission medium, transmission medium to the receiver. The classification of transmission media are guided media and unguided media. So with the guided media, the waves are guided along a solid medium such as copper twisted pair, copper coaxial cable or optical fiber. The guided media transmitting the electromagnetic signals but do not guide them. The form of the transmission is usually referred to as a wireless transmission. Guided media. Guided transmission media uses a cabling system that guides the data signals along a specific path. So the data signals are bound by the cabling system. So the guided media is mainly suited for the point-to-point line configuration and the signals are propagated in the form of the voltage, current and photons. So guided media is also known as a bound media, which is also called a wired media. Types of guided media. The guided media is subdivided into three types: twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and fiber optic cable. Twisted pair cable. Twisted pair cable is the most common type of a cable which is used in a data communication, and it is reliable, flexible and cost effective. A twisted pair cable of two insulated copper wires arranged in a regular spiral pattern. A wire pair acts as a single communication link, and the frequency range of the twisted pair cable is 100 Hz to 5 MHz. The twisted pair cables are least expensive and most widely used guided transmission medium. The pair of the two conductors, that is normally a copper and each with a plastic insulator twisted together, which is shown in this figure. So twisted pair cable consists of the two insulated copper wires which is arranged in a spiral pattern, and the wire pair acts as a single communication link. So wire is the twisted pair cabling are twisted together in pairs. Each pair would consist of a wire used for the positive data signal and for the negative data signal. So TP may be used to transmit both analog and digital signals. The characteristics of the twisted pair cable are: attenuation is strong function frequency. Higher frequency implies higher attenuation. Suspicious to be interference of and noise. Improvement of possibilities. Shielding with metallic braids or shielding reduces interference. Twisting reduces low frequency interference, and the different twist length is adjacent pair reduces a crosstalk. Applications of twisted pair. The twisted pair cables are used in a telephone lines to provide a voice and data channels. Second application is the line that connects a subscribers to central telephone office is most commonly UTP cable. The DSL lines that are used by the telephone companies to provide a high data rate connections also use a high bandwidth capability as a UTP cable, that is unshielded twisted pair cable. The fourth application is the LAN also uses a twisted pair cable, that is the local area network use the twisted pair cables, and the telephone lines also use a twisted pair cables. Types of twisted pair cables. First type is shielded twisted pair cable, STP cable. It has a mesh shielding protect from the EMI. EMI means electromagnetic interference. It has a two copper pair which is shown in a figure. It is a similar to the unshielded twisted pair cable, but the mesh shielding protects the copper wire from the electromagnetic interference. The shielded twisted pair cable is composed of two copper pairs, and each copper pair is wrapped in a metal foil and then sheeted in an additional braided metal shield. It absorbs the radiations and reduces the EMI, and the STP can handle the higher data speed, and it is used in a telephone company. STP is used extensively by the telephone company for the moving the information over the distance of the 2 kilometers between the telephone company and the switching station. Here the figure diagram of the shielding twisted pair cable STP. The advantage and disadvantages of the STP cables are: first advantage is it reduces the interference just because of the shielding. Second is it is faster than the UTP and coaxial cable, and the third one is the better performance at higher data rates. Disadvantages are it is more expensive than the UTP and the coaxial cable. It is more difficult installation and setup. It has a high attenuation rate and the high cost. Second type of the twisted pair cable is UTP, unshielded twisted pair cable. UTP is a set of twisted pairs of the cables within a plastic sheet. The cables without a shield are called a unshielded twisted pair cable. UTP is the least expensive of all the transmission media. It is commonly used for the LAN, and it is easy to work with, the simple to install. It is easy to install. It is the cheapest as compared to the STP. So the diagram shows the construction of the UTP cable. It consists of a color-coded copper wires but does not include any foil or braiding as an insulator to protect against the interference. So wire pairs within each cable have a varied amounts of twist per foot to produce a cancellation. Unshielded twisted pair cables advantage and disadvantages are: advantages of UTP. It is easy to installation and setup. It is capable of high speed for the LAN. It has a low cost for the installation, and it is very flexible than the STP. The disadvantages are: it has a short distance due to the attenuation. It has a limited bandwidth and it is very noisy. And it suffers from the interference just because of the without shielding. Thank you.